So I've come from a morning really focused around virtual reality and augmented reality, starting with a talk by the guys behind Unity and Tools of America, which was really interesting and sort of spoke about the opportunities that 5G are going to bring to the platform and where it's going to go. And excitingly talking about sort of 5 years' time of what that's going to look like. And the general consensus is it's not going to be a full immersion experience constantly, but it's more going to be about how we overlay levels of augmented reality in our normal life. So, for example, thinking about where does that chest of IKEA drawers really fit into your house and how would that actually look like? Or if you go to Pompeii, rather than like your audio guide, which is normally your big clunky piece next to your head, how do you overlay either audio or visual realities into that experience? And then it culminated, I went to see the BBC and 59 Productions work that they're doing around a virtual reality experience around World War II. Actually, it was such an emotional piece of storytelling that I ended up crying, but absolutely incredible about how we can bring that intense narrative and storytelling back to some of the work that we do at home.
Just come out of a session at the Marriott, which is about health tech and how tech can support health and better outcomes and so on. And it was really interesting and so on, but a lot of the focus is on channels, and where they actually seem to be the problem that they was actually trying to deal with is how to deal with the data action. The ability to get actionable insights from data seems to be the problem that everyone's struggling with this week.